Hi traders, you're here today with the Trade Father and Koki,
Hello.
and we're going to talk about candle reading etiquette. And what happens is it's the old saying, every candle tells a story, and I'm going to show you how the software is reading each candle. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw a box around the very first candle from the top of the wick to the very bottom of the wick.
So does that mean, is that the range?
That's the entire range of the price movement for that candle from the very high to the very low. Now, the rule is very simple. If we drew a line at the 50% mark of that candle, and we brought this blue line over, and we just put it right there in the middle of the range, in the middle of that red box, where did price close?
Oh, it closed above.
Okay, so it closed above. That means the buyers are in control of that candle. Now, if the close is at the very top of the box, all right, if we move that close to the very top of the box, that means that the buyers are in complete control of that price movement.
So how is that helpful to traders?
Okay, so the next candle should be a blue candle. All right, now if the next candle is a red candle, meaning there's a reversal, that means you've gone into a level. Now that level could be a pivot, it could be support and resistance, it could be supply and demand, it could be a fib number, or even an institutional level.
So what you're saying is that if the candle closes on the top, okay, that I can anticipate what the next candle color could be?
Yes. Okay, but this is where you have to look to the right and see where price is moving into. All right, in this case, price is actually moving into a level of sellers. Okay, now later on, when we talk about unfilled orders, we can talk about how strong those sellers are. Okay, so right now, if we go to the next candle to the left, and we put that red box around the range, we move the line to the 50% mark. All right, where did price close?
Closed around the 50% level.
All right, so that means that candle is neutral. Candles are either buying candles, selling candles, or neutral candles. In this case, a neutral candle means that the buyers and sellers are actually fighting in that position. At that price range, they're actually having a fight. Now, who's going to win the fight? The person that closes above that blue line or below that blue line will be determined who's the winner.
Oh, okay. Wow, okay.
Okay, so if we go to the next candle to the left, the red candle, all right, so the box has to be adjusted, and we look at it. Now, where did price close within that box on the 50%?
Under the 50%. Well, yeah, so this is a red candle, so it's flipped, right?
It's flipped. So the red candle is closing near the what? The bottom of the range. So that means the sellers are in control of that candle. Now that makes sense because the candle to the left was blue and went up into supply, or a resistance level, and price was then pushed down. All right.
So you get to put the entire picture together. So you're looking at the context of where the candles open and close, and we look to the left to see where it closed or opened at.
Exactly. All right, so then we look at the close and we say, okay, where did it close? Okay, within that range, did it close above or below the 50% mark? If it closed above the 50% mark, how high did it close above the 50% mark? All right, so we look at this close right here. Yes, the sellers are in control of this candle. I'm sorry, the buyers are in control of this candle. And we still have some room where it came down. So it's showing us that even though the buyers were in control of this candle, the sellers have come into the market. You see that wick on the top? And that's the whole point for this red box. All right, so that means the sellers are coming into the market, which means it's starting a push down.
Oh, right? So you're telling me that every candle tells a story.
That's exactly it. Now, for those traders that want to be real traders, you have to read the candles as they're coming up. So that way you know who's in control of the move, buyers or sellers, or if they're fighting it out, they'll create a neutral candle. Now, if you traders like this video, please click on the like button. Or if you want to see future videos, then click on subscribe. Now, if you guys have any questions or comments or suggestions, then email us at team@GrowAPairAndTrade.com. Again, that's team, T-E-A-M, @GrowAPairAndTrade.com.